So in the previous lecture videos, we have discussed the various components of financial systems. That is, we have discussed the financial institutions, financial instruments, and the financial markets. So now in this video, we will be discussing in brief about the financial services. So before going into the financial services, we have already come with this term like financial. What do you mean by financial? We have got some idea on the term, but here services basically means services have a distinct identity which is apart from the tangible goods. Like it is inseparable, and it is services are inseparable, services are intangible. We cannot see whatever service we give to someone. We cannot see what are the things. We can only feel it, the service. Okay, so the services take place in interactions with consumers and provides the solutions to the consumer's problem. So financial service, if we say in concern with finance, it is like more or less the same features as that of the service. Okay, so both the financial services, the whole financial services, you can say as the activities. These financial services is nothing but it's a activities which is concerned with designing and delivery of financial products, before also giving advice to the consumers and the industrial users. They not only design, or like they not only deliver the financial assets or the financial products, rather the financial services also, in whole financial system, the financial service is another component where financial services also it helps in providing advice to the consumers as well as to the industrial users. So the whole the efficiency of a financial system, the whole efficiency of the financial system, it depends to a great extent upon the quality. What is the quality? That is the quality of the service that has been given, and also the variety of the services, financial services. So financial services are also the whole financial services. Like we have, when we go to a bank, so bank gives us services. We cannot touch the services that is given by the bank. We can only touch the assets, or like say for example, whenever we go to a bank, we can withdraw money. So money is it's tangible. Like the services provided by the financial institutions, that is the added one. So the added value. So we cannot see it. The financial services are provided by the financial institutions. The financial services, like it can be termed as those activities of the financial institutions which is concerned with designing or even the delivering of the financial products and services to and advice to the individual as well as the business house. So in the previous classes, we have already discussed some of the types of financial services. That is, there are basically two types. One is fund-based services, another one is fee-based services. So fund-based services includes leasing, hire purchase, consumer credit, bill discounting, insurance, etc. And in fee-based services, it includes merchant banking, credit rating, stock booking, etc. So thus we can see that the whole financial system, like we can say as like the whole financial system is a network of the financial institution, financial market, financial instruments, and financial services, like to facilitate the transfer of funds from the saver to the borrower. Thank you.